Hi everyone, it's Miss Hogan. Welcome back to your fourth day and your fourth lesson of maths this week. Now this week we have worked a lot with number. We have looked at writing numbers as words, we have looked at representing different numbers in different ways, and we've also looked at when we use maths or when we use numbers in our real life. Now today we are going to practice again finding one more and one less than a given number. So your activity today is going to include some robots. So you are going to help the robots find one more or one less than their given numbers. Now there is many ways that you can do this. We have practiced using concrete objects and resources, but also using number lines to find one more or one less than a given number. So the first number that Miss Hogan is going to look at, so Miss Hogan is going to be the robot just now. The first number that we're going to try and find one more or one less of is the number 8. Okay, so I'm going to have two whiteboards either side, and I want you to help me find one less than 8 and one more than 8. Can you help me? What can we use this time to help me find the answer? Let's use some cubes. So here I have 8 cubes. Let's be sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I need to try and find one less than the number 8. So what should I do? Oh, excellent. I take 2 away. Oh, some boys and girls don't seem so happy with my answer. Silly Miss Hogan, I do not take 2 away, I take 1 away because I'm trying to find one less than the given number. So I'm going to take away 1 of my cubes. How many have I left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I know 1 less than 8 is the number 7. So 8 is my given number, 7 is 1 less. How can we find one more? Let's go back to our cubes. So let's go back to 8 cubes again. Now I have 8 cubes. This time I want to find one more. So what should I do? Excellent, I should add on 1 more cube to my tower. Now I've added 1 more cube to my tower of 8. Let's count to see what 1 more than 8 is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Super. So I know that 9 is 1 more than 8. So now on my whiteboards, just like the robots, we have our number 8. 1 less than 8 is 7. 1 more than 8 is 9. Okay, the next number that I want us to look at is the number 14. Now, we've already used our cubes to help us find the answer. What else could we use? Super, how about we try to use a number line? So, I have my number line here in the classroom that I'm going to use, but at home you could try and draw your own number line using chalk on the floor, or if you're outside as well, you can use some chalk to draw your very own number line. So, I have the number 14. So, on my number line, I'm going to circle the number 14. There is the number 14. Now, first of all, I want to find one less than the number 14. So which direction do I need to jump in? Do I need to jump forwards, 1 space? Oh, boys and girls don't seem so happy. Do I need to jump backwards 1 to find one less? Excellent, let's jump backwards. So I've drawn my jump and I've landed on the number 13. So I know that 1 less than 14 must be 13. Super. So I'm going to write down 13, the number 1 and the number 3, because 13 I know is 1 less than 14. Now let's go back to my number line because I now want to find one more than the number 14. So back to our number line. Now I have jumped backwards to find the number 1 less than the number. So which direction should I jump in to find one more? Super, I need to jump forwards. So 1, 2, 3 jumps forward. I've landed on the number 17. Oh, is that correct? What did Miss Hogan do wrong? What did I do wrong? Maybe pause your video for a few moments and try to think, what did Miss Hogan not do correctly? Oh, thank you, boys and girls. You were right. I have made 3 jumps forward, but I'm not trying to find 3 more than my number. I'm only trying to find 1 more. So let me fix my mistake. Okay, boys and girls, thank you for helping me with my silly little mistake. But I know, as Mojo says, we all learn from our mistakes. So mistakes are kind of a good thing too. So this time I have jumped 1 forward from the number 14. And what number have I landed on? The number 15. So I know that 1 more than 14 is 15. So I'm going to write down my number 15. So I know now that 1 less than 14 is 13 and 1 more than 14 is 15. And if you were to read these numbers, you would read 13, 14, 15, just as if you were counting. Now that we found 1 more and 1 less than the given numbers, do you think we could write some number sentences to represent these? So how about these numbers that I'm holding just now? So 1 less than 14 is 13, and 1 more than 14 is 15. How would I write some number sentences? Let's get my whiteboard ready. Okay, I know that 1 less than 14 is 13. How could I write that as a number sentence? What number do we start with? We started with the number 14. So I'm going to write down my number 14. Now 14, am I adding or am I taking away? Well, I'm making the number smaller, so I'm taking away. So I need to do my subtraction sign, my take away sign. How many, everyone, did I take away? How many jumps backwards did I make? Just 1. So 14 take away 1 equals, can anyone remember? Excellent, 13. So I know that 1 less than 14 is 13, or 14 take away 1 equals 13. Now, we know that 1 more than 14 is 15. How would I write that as a number sentence? Once again, which number did we start with? The number 14. But this time I found 1 more. So I made the number bigger. So we are adding. I added 1 more. Or I took 1 jump forward. So what symbol should I use? Super, I should use my plus or my addition symbol. Just like this. Now once again, how many did I add on, or how many jumps forwards did I make? 1. So I know that 14 plus 1 is equal to 15. Okay, boys and girls, now that we have practiced together finding 1 more and 1 less than our given numbers, I want you to have a look at today's challenges on Seesaw, and I want you to think of different ways that you could find 1 more or 1 less than the given numbers. Best of luck, and I cannot wait to see all of your work on Seesaw later today. Bye!